Ameism in international conflicts. Ameism views that international conflicts between nations are increasing every year. When it reaches peak, conditions of international conflicts or war between nations happens. The World War I and World War II is an example of this. Often it is said that the wars don't move to total war. Total war is a war that causes great devastation on civilian population and all material resources of nations. All becomes a target of total war. When war progresses, all wars are found to be progressing to total war. Take the example of World War I, it caused devastating effects on populations. When technology and military infrastructure started developing, the Second World War caused further more destruction. The next war will be an apocalypse war using nuclear arsenals. Ameism says that the present scenario of world and unsolvable war crimes are on its rise and thus can gradually develop into total wars. Hence, nations going away from Ameism ideology must develop machines and places reserved for giving safety to civilians, who are hard working to meet the two ends together. Even though United Nations organizations is following the path of League of Nations, it must conduct deliberations about reserving excluded war zones and temporary shelters for civilian populations. Developing structures or machines for survival of civilians from nuclear outbreaks and safety asylums for women and small children is very much necessary with changing times. Ameism disposes certain machines for that, and it will be available in the next video. Please subscribe and make sure to watch and like.